Hi everybody, it's Karen Bentley here with the Sugar-Free Advantage channel, your resource for healthy weight loss and healthy binge-free living on a sugar-free strategy. And we're here today to have the Sugar-Free Ketchup Wars. Which one is better, this G Hughes Sugar-Free Ketchup or this Heinz no sugar added ketchup? They're both claim to be sugar-free. How can we tell the difference and make a judgment about them? So the first thing we're going to do is just compare sizes and prices. The Heinz product is 13 ounces. It's in a plastic container, and it costs $2.58 in my local Walmart. This compares to $2.32 for the regular Heinz ketchup that has sugar in it. So it's about a quarter more expensive than the regular Heinz ketchup. Let's compare that to the G Hughes product. This is in a glass container. It's also 13 ounces. It looks larger than the Heinz product, but it's exactly the same. And this in my Walmart was $3.22, and they didn't have a sugar product to compare it to. So they only had the sugar-free ketchup as a ketchup, and that would be 64 cents more expensive than the Heinz product, which is 25% more expensive. So if you're just making a budget decision, the Heinz product is going to be cheaper. Now let's actually think about these labels for a second. So the Heinz product says no sugar added, and the G Hughes product says sugar-free. What do these mean? They basically mean the same thing. They mean that the food manufacturer can't put sugar in the product, can't put table sugar in the product. They can put any other caloric sweetener they want. All they have to do is have no sugar or be sugar-free. That's all that label requires them to do. So for example, it could have maple syrup, it could have honey, it could have agave. This one specifies that there's no high fructose corn syrup, so we know there isn't in this product, but we don't really know what the sweetening agent is in these products. When we see the term no sugar added, or NSA, it's sometimes known by that acronym NSA, it's a convention that it typically means it's a sugar alcohol called maltitol, but it doesn't have to be. And so we have to check the ingredients list on both of these products to see what the sweetening agent is, if any, that's in them. That's the only way we're going to know, because neither one of them have specified what's been used on the front label. So we have to go to the back of the product and read it for ourselves. And so we're going to look at the ingredients list. It's the smallest thing on the container, and I'm going to scan it very quickly, and I can see that at the bottom of the list, this product uses sucralose. The brand name for sucralose is Splenda, and that is an artificial sweetener. In my opinion, it's the least objectionable, the healthiest artificial sweetener, and that's how this product is sweetened, with sucralose. Let's look at this one. This one says sugar-free, and it says there's no high fructose corn syrup. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the ingredients list on the back, and I'm going to scan it and look and see what's in this one. It's sucralose. It's the exact same sweetening agent. It's sucralose. The brand name is Splenda, which is an artificial sweetener. So they both have the same exact sweetening agents. Let's dig a little bit deeper into the ingredients list and compare the recipes. So they've both got as the first food, vine-ripened tomato concentrate. So they're exactly the same with that. The second ingredient is vinegar. They're exactly the same with that. And the third food ingredient in this product is sucralose. So the sweetening agent is the third ingredient in the Heinz product. In the G Hughes product, the third food is a modified cornstarch. So modified cornstarch is a mild sweetening agent. If you're a purist, You might object to a sugar-free product that has modified cornstarch in it. If I had a choice of another product that wasn't using modified cornstarch, I would use it. But, you know, if this was my only choice, I might use it anyway. It depends on you, how much of a purist you want to be about your sugar consumption. It would be a very small quantity, but, you know, to some people it might matter. So this 1/3 ingredient is sucralose. This 1/3 ingredient is modified cornstarch. Then they both have salt. Then this one has natural flavorings. This one has spices. So they're not going to tell us what the flavors are that they use to enhance their products, because those are proprietary secrets, and there's such a small amount that they don't have to be listed. This one also uses onion powder. This one uses onion powder and garlic powder. And of course, we've already mentioned that they both use sucralose. So that's the differences in the recipes. Now we're going to do a taste test and see which one we like taste better. I have to tell you that this Heinz product is the one that I have a bias towards, because it's the product that I typically buy for myself. I love Heinz regular ketchup, and I was so happy. I was the happiest girl on the planet when Heinz made a sugar-free version of their fabulous ketchup. I adore it. It made my life tons easier because I didn't have to make my own ketchup. So I have a bias towards this one, but I haven't tasted this one, and I'm really eager to try it and see which one tastes better. I will tell you, the Heinz product tastes exactly like their original product with sugar in it. It has the exact same flavor, and I like it because of that. Excuse me. It's a little bit, the only difference between the original product and the sugar-free one is that this product is a little runnier. It has less viscosity, so which means it has a little more water in it. And but I don't object to that. It's okay in my book that it's a little runnier. I would expect that this product to be slightly thicker because it uses that modified cornstarch, and cornstarch is a thickener. So my expectation is that it would be a little thicker, but we'll see. So we're going to taste them both. I'm going to pour a little. Here's the Heinz product. And as you can see, it's pretty runny. It's running right down to the bottom of the dish. But it's a beautiful color. It smells exactly the same as the original ketchup. I'm going to taste it. Yum, yum, yum. I love that product. It is exactly the same as the other Heinz product that's made with sugar. So I do love this product. I do recommend it. And now we're going to try the G Hughes product. I'm going to pour a little bit in. Oh, it's also a little bit runny. It's the exact same color. It seems to have a similar viscosity. It also smells pretty good. I'm going to taste this one. Oh, that's also a yummy ketchup. It's very delicious. I think it's just marginally less sweet than the Heinz product. This one seems slightly less sweet than the Heinz product. And that makes sense because sucralose was the third ingredient in this product, and sucralose is the last ingredient in this product. So they're using more sucralose in this product, which means it's going to be sweeter. But still, this has a very nice flavor, very nice taste. I actually like them both. I don't think you can go wrong. Unless you don't want to have a product with a modified cornstarch in it, I would recommend them both. They're both great. I'm delighted to see 2 sugar-free ketchups on the market. If you know of more of them, please leave me a comment below so I can taste that one too. I would love to find out about it. This is all that's available where I live, which is a semi-remote vacation destination. So if you like this content, please smash that like button. And if you really liked it and you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Sugar-Free Advantage family. Bye for now.